What's that one? Is it one scheduled for anything? Or is there a warrant there too?
No, it's no warrant. This is old. Like it's still. I don't think it's.
So she needs a date to come back. Okay.
Yeah, but she had to try and get that warrant.
Yeah. Well, we'll clear it. We can clear it. Right?
Yeah. Is that the ticket?
I don't know. Let's see. When you, Ms. Thomas, when you got a notice to come to court, does it have a ticket number on it? And does it definitely have today's date on it?
Well, it has 70706 on it, but when I came that day, they told me to come back on the 27th for Zoom.
Do you know what the ticket was for? Was it for a park, senior parks?
Yeah, for the ticket for a park after dark.
Yeah.
Just one ticket, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna clear the warrant. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room so that you can meet with the attorney, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna move you, look and see if you can just return to your breakout room, touch your screen and see if something pops up, if you see boxes or something to return. Otherwise, I'll move you twice.
No.
Okay, moving you to 18 and then back to 16. So watch your device, please. Please join 18, then I'll move you again to 16.
Okay, warrant's canceled. It's like you're supposed to be here July 7th.
Okay. James Bedford. Here. All right, so then you have the SOSs that we need are going to be in room 11. Nicole Page is valid, okay. Yeah, see, we got ahead of us, so now they're asking and skipping through the rooms. That's what I don't want. Room 13. Demetrius Taylor, suspended. Attorney Horn, if you're going to leave us, I need an offer on one matter before you go.
Ready, Your Honor, whenever you're ready.
Okay, it's in room 16. Looks like there's been some kind of like scheduling mix up, but she's here. She only has one ticket, Danique Thomas, and the ticket is for In the Park After Dark.
Okay, a 3-month delayed sentence, and I can put that on there, or you can take it, Judge.
I'll put it on. Thank you.
Okay. All right, thank you. I came out and I was meant to go into the police officer's room. Thanks, Judge.
Okay. I just didn't want to lose you. Thank you.
Nope, that's okay.
You said how much delay? You said a 6-month delay or 3 month?
3, Your Honor. Okay, thank you. And then I'll probably go check in and I'll come right back.
Okay.
Officer Parker. Okay.
We're going to bring Miss Page out. Can I have the Nicole Page file? That's going to be a dismissal. Thank you. Mr. Pless, okay. And then can I have the Jalen Pless file, please? Thank you. All right, Mr. Pless, I'll need you to stop walking for just a moment so we can try to get your case dealt with. Calling ticket number P16760444, City versus Jalen Pless. Mr. Pless, just state your name for the record, please.
Jalen Pless.
Thank you. All right. So you had 13 hours of community service, or you could pay the fine. I understand you have completed community service.
Yes.
And where did you complete that community service?
Feed Your Neighborhood. That's the name of it.
And were you referred there by the court?
Yes, the lady I called. Yes.
Okay. And did they give you proof of completion of your community service?
Yes. The instructor actually just sent me over my information. I needed like an hour ago.
Okay. I need to see it.
Okay.
I can chat you an email address that you can send it to if you prefer.
Yes.
Okay. Would you please chat Mr. Pless your email address so that he can send over his proof of community service? Thank you. Is it Deshaun DeSoto?
Post the FISA fund or how much do you feel you have left?
47 is open.
Is that you? Guys, I need you to speak up. I'm trying to make sure your audio is working and you need to sit up, Mr. DeSoto.
This is Deshaun Thompson. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so an attorney can come and see you. They'll be with you shortly.
All right.
Okay, you're going to room 18. Please hit join. I see Attorney Malafite. Michaela Terry, please unmute. Michaela Terry.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney. They'll be with you shortly. Please join room 19. Device that says just Zoom user, you're wearing a cap, unmute. Thank you. What's your name?
Jamin Pinkins, cap or no cap?
Please remove it for court. Spell the first name.
Jamin, Jamin Pinkins, Penkins.
Thank you. I think you're the first Pinkins I met with the E. All right. All right, you're going to go to room 20, hit join. The attorneys will be there shortly to see you.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Pless, just when you get that sent, unmute and let me know that you sent the email. Okay. Michael Parzan. Michael Parzan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can see an attorney. Please be patient. They're making their way to you. You're going to room 21. Go ahead and hit join, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, we've got Mr. Patterson ready for sentencing. Have a Patterson file when you get a moment, please. Calling ticket number Z8099451. People versus Mark Randolph Patterson II. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. By P72339 on behalf of Mr. Patterson. Mr. Patterson, please state your full name for the record.
Mark Randolph Patterson II.
Thank you. Today is the date and time set for sentencing. Attorney Malafite, have you had a chance to review the pre-sentence report with Mr. Patterson?
Your Honor, we have no additions, deletions, corrections to make, and we would respectfully request that the recommendation is followed.
All right, thank you. Mr. Patterson, is there anything that you would like me to know before I impose sentence?
No, thank you, but thank you for your time. I appreciate you.
All right. You're welcome. Okay. So they say that your prognosis is good for successful community supervision during probation. They are recommending outpatient treatment because you did have a positive screen when you came in, and your VAC level was pretty high. So these are their recommendations: 12 months of probation with the following conditions: attend and complete outpatient substance abuse treatment program, no alcohol, illicit substances, with random urinalysis twice monthly at an outside agency. I'm gonna change illicit substances to illegal substances. And then no marijuana without a valid medical marijuana card. I'm doing that because illicit substances to me is pretty vague. I don't know what's meant by illicit substances, but we know what illegal substances are. Attend and complete an alcohol highway safety course. Attend and complete the MAD victim impact panel, view the short film consequences, and pay the $100 assessment fee, $15 urinalysis fee, all other assessed fines and fees. This court will impose one additional fine of $190 for the ticket. All right, so you've got the 12 months of probation. They'll be in touch with you as how to get all those other requirements done. I suppose they'll have a check-in with me in a few months for you to just see how you're doing, but sentence is imposed in accordance with the recommendations at this time, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Got something from Mr. Pless, please.
These,
Thank you. Should be emailed. I think I need you to chat him your email address again. Okay, yeah, so let me know when you get that. Let's see if I can get Nicole Page out. All right, Mr. Pless, we're still waiting for your community service paperwork. Listen,
I believe I sent it over.
all right, we're still looking for it.
Okay.
I've not received.
Double check the email address that you use, please. Calvin Pearson,
All
good
right.
morning. Mr. Pearson, did you get logged off? Mr. Pearson is actually just here for a review. I don't even see him on the list. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's right. And is he here for a review?
Yes.
Okay. Can you run him in the system to see if everything is done? And hand me that file, please. I'm going to take care of Nicole Page. Ms. Page, unmute, turn your camera on, please. Thank you.
Yes.
Calling ticket number P1895884, City versus Nicole Page. Just state your name for the record.
Nicole Page.
Thank you. Your sole charge is for having a suspended license. We have checked and your license is now valid. Good job getting that done. Your attorney made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I'm happy to grant. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, what's the case number?
On Nicole Page, P1895884.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, and we have Mr. Pearson. I need to know if he has fulfilled his requirements. He's supposed to undergo testing and take morality class.
I'm not to go on probation.
All right, Mr. Pearson, we're double checking to see what's gotten done in your case. Officer Lund, good morning. Officer, I need you to unmute and let me know which case you're here on, please. Renisha Turner, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room in just a moment.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're here for trial today. All right, so I'm going to put you in room 3, Miss Turner.
All right. Yeah.
Go ahead and join, please. Officer Ossie, good morning. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room 1 so you can see the city attorney. Please go to room 1.
Okay. Are they going home? We'll give you probation officer zoom in for a kill now. Make sure you.
Thank you. May I have Demetrius Taylor's title, please? Officer Lund, I can't put you in the breakout room until I know which matter you're here on. We'll have
Miss
to-
Trush.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm going to put you in breakout room number 1. City attorney will be there to see you shortly. Demetrius Taylor, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
All right, calling ticket number P1900583 and all other related matters on today's docket to People versus Demetrius Taylor. Mr. Taylor, just state your name for the record, please.
Demetrius Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like we're going to have a plea to 2 counts of the reduced charge of failure. I need you to stop moving around, please. Your plea is complicated and that's going to distract me.
Oh,
Thank
okay,
you.
okay.
All right, 2 counts.
I'm sitting down right now. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Looks like you're pleading guilty to 2 counts of failure to display a license, 3 counts of improper plates, 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. 1 moment, please. I'm going to need you to please. Oh, here they are. Great. Hold on, Mr. Taylor. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you, did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I understand.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. 1 moment, please. All right, sir, is it true that on March 6th of 2020 in the area of Grand River and the Jeffries Freeway that you were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that your plates were not proper at that time due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true, sir, that on April 27th of 2021 in the area of Dayton and Westwood that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that your plates were not proper at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
And is it also true that your plates were not proper due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Finally, sir, is it true that on June 12th of 2021 in the area of West Grand Boulevard and Rosa Parks that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, I'm going to tell you what your fines are, then I'm going to tell you kind of how you can approach paying them, okay?
Yes.
So you're going to have a number of fines. On your failure to display, the fine is $190. So you've got 2 of those. On your allowing, the fine is $190. You've got 1 of those. On your improper plates, I was able to knock them all down to $100. So you have 3 fines of 190 and 3 fines of 100. There's a couple different things you can do here. If you need to ask me for community service, you can do that. We can talk about that. Or you can, I'll give you 90 days in which time you can either pay these tickets off in full, or you can go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. They can put you on a long-term payment plan, much longer than I can. What you need to know, though, is you have some civil infractions that got old. And when they get old, they go into what's called default, meaning you're deemed guilty for failing to ever respond to them. Okay. And they just kind of go on your record. So you have some other fines that might be on there. When you go see the cashiers and they put you on that long-term payment plan, it's likely they're going to roll them all together and give you one long payment plan to try to get everything done. Okay.
Okay.
So it's up to you how you would like to handle it. Would you like me to look at converting this to community service, or do you want to try to get on a payment plan or pay them off?
I could try to do community service.
Okay. All right. So 13 on that one. Okay. So on all those where the fine was 190, you're going to have 13 hours. And then on the ones that are 100, I'll give you 8 hours on each of those. Can you get that number for community service and give it to Mr. Taylor, please? Mr. Taylor, get ready to take down a number.
Okay, can I just grab a pen? I don't want to keep moving.
And yeah.
Okay.
Demetrius Taylor.
Hey, son, I'll go down there and get it. 1 second. I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
Mr. Please, he recognizes me, but it's yeah, it's another email that.
You didn't email it?
No, I can maybe call information up. See if they have it.
Okay, you're not able to open that.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, can we give him that number?
313 96. 965
965
34
34.
Yeah, 3423.
Okay.
So call that number. I'm going to have you come back and see me in 90 days so we can check on your community service. October 26th at 8:30 in the morning, just so we can see if your community service is done. Okay.
Okay. How many hours does the community service do I have?
63 altogether.
63. Okay.
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 All right. Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah. A lot of tickets. Yeah, 8 people in the breakout in the waiting room. All right. All right, good morning, everyone. Attorney Carpenter, I'll give you co-host. All right, officers, it's helpful if you have your names or whoever you're here on with your device. Otherwise, I've got to go through and do that before I can get you into the rooms. Okay, officers, please unmute so that I can quickly get you into the proper breakout rooms.
Hey, good morning,
Officer Del
Judge.
Bosque, good morning. Which case are you here on, Del Bosque?
I am here on Turner.
First initial?
First initial
R.
is Turner. R, Ronisha
Yep.
R. Ronisha Turner.
Trooper Tyler, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Trooper Tyler?
I'm also on a Ronisha Turner.
Thank you. Ms. Turner is here. Officer Ross, I'm sorry. Which case are you here on, please?
Parsons T.
Parsons?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Officer Hill, good morning to you. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Renisha Turner.
Thank you. Officer Thomas, please unmute. Which case are you here on, please?
I'm here for Parsons as well.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm going to get you all into room 1 so you can see the city attorney.
This
Go ahead
Officer
and
Reed,
join
I'm
that.
here on Parsons as well.
Thank you. You did name your device, Officer Reed, so thank you for doing that. I saw that. All right. Officer Hill, you're going to room 1. Del Bosque to room 1. Ross to room 1. Reed to room 1. Thomas to room 1. And Tyler to room 1. City attorney will be there shortly. How are we doing with Mr. Pless? All right, thank you. All right, Joseph Thomas, good morning.
Good morning.
Looks like you're here. We're going to need an SOS on Mr. Thomas, please. Mr. Thomas, I'm going to put you in breakout room. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
All right, you're going to room 4. An attorney will come see you. Please join the breakout room.
Okay.
Just need an SOS on him, please. Okay. Still waiting on Mr. Pless. Officer Warren, which case are you here on, please? Officer Warren, I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. I'm looking at the subpoena. It's going to be Parsons.
Thank you. I'm going to put you in breakout room number 1. City attorney will come there to meet with you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Zoom user in the blue t-shirt. What's your name?
Kevin Price.
Kate, Kelvin or Kevin?
Kevin.
K-I-N?
What's that?
K-E-V-I-N, Kevin?
Correct, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. All right, you're here for trial as well, Mr. Price. I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, I haven't.
That's okay. They'll come see you. Go to room 5, please.
Okay.
Carpenter, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You said for who? I'm dealing with Kevin Price. Kevin Price is carpenter. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Gina,
Okay, thank you, Mr. Plath.
Yes.
All right. So we're not able to open your PDF, and probation is saying they have not received any proof that you've completed your community service, probably because they just sent it to you. So I'm probably going to have you come back to double check it. When did you complete your community service?
I completed it last Monday. I needed last
Okay.
Monday to finish up my hours. Cause it's,
Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
Can I bring you back in a week so that probation has time to get the proof from them, or we can come back sooner if they're going to send it over to probation sooner?
Yes. Yeah, I can do that. So can you send me the email again just to confirm? Because it's not letting me copy and paste it, but I literally typed it in directly as I saw it. And then I sent
Well, they'll tell us as soon as they get it from you. So let's just schedule, from them. So let's schedule you to come back in a week, which I think puts us at August the 3rd.
August 3rd. Okay.
Yeah, let's zoom back in August 3rd. You can just let us know that you're here for review as soon as you get here. We'll try to get you in and out quickly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right, we'll see you then.
Same meeting ID and same time and everything?
Same time, 8:30 a.m.
8:30. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Okay, so there's Plus. Marcellus Page, good morning. Go ahead and unmute.
Good morning.
Good morning. Corporal Kropik, good morning. I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1.
Good morning.
Morning. Okay, Mr. Page, let's see what you're here for today. You are also here for trial. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all, Mr. Page?
No.
All right, you're going to go to room 6. Please join room 6.
Yes, so what's not?
System down. Okay. Where'd Mr. Page just go? I thought I told him to room 6. There he is. Okay, just appeared. Tompkins, what were you telling me about appointed counsel? Do you have appointed for any of these folks?
Kennedy Trice. This is Trice at 9:30. That's here as well.
Trice. Room 23. Let me move them to 7. Okay, thank you. Corporal Spidell, good morning. Which case are you here on?
Your Honor, are you talking to Corporal Spidell? I'm sorry.
Yes, good morning, Corporal Spidell. Which case are you here on, please?
Hello?
One moment, please. Corporal Spidell, I'm asking Corporal Spidell.
Bronisha Turner.
Thank you. Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor. Deshaun Thompson, he's at 9:15. I know that that's your assigned attorney time, so I'm just trying to see if he has an assigned attorney.
Oh, let's see. Officer Nelson, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. How are you today? I am here on Thomas. It was the last name, first initial J.
Thank you. And I'm gonna get you into breakout room number 1 so you can see the city attorney.
Thank you.
Were you working with Mr. Thedford?
No.
Okay.
So Mr. Thompson says petition for court appointment attorney.
Do you see, oh, you probably don't know because she's not for trial. You don't see anything on Deshaun Thompson? Do you see counsel appointed to Deshaun
Yeah,
Thompson?
it was on file, but they don't have a name.
Doesn't have anybody appointed. I don't know if anybody's been appointed yet. And of course, I don't know if anyone will come.
Okay, I'll talk to him a little bit and I'll talk to him about whether or not he wants the assigned attorney and I'll see if
Okay.
he's heard from anyone.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Mr. Thedford, I'll be right with you.
Okay.
I have the James Thedford file when you're ready, please. Let's see. I'm trying to understand what's going. I'm sorry, I'm trying to understand what's going on with your file. Give me just a moment. Miss Thomas. It's in room 4. Zoom user, please unmute. What's your name? Please give me a name or I will have to
Nakia
remove. I got Nakia. Spell Nakia, please.
Nekia.
And spell your last name, please.
Thomas. Thomas.
Thank you. What time are you scheduled for, Miss Thomas?
I believe it was 9:30.
$8:35.
All right, you're scheduled for 8:35.
Oh wow.
I'll get you into a breakout room. Hopefully somebody can still help you. Please go ahead and hit join the breakout room. Okay, let me see what's going on with Mr. Thedford's file. All right, this is what my confusion is. I need to see on Mr. Thedford whether his other tickets have been resolved. So can you pull up James Thedford, see whatever we have open on him? Because at one point there was a very different offer in the file. Just want to see what open cases he has. Thank you. And on Kelvin Pearson, we were looking at him for review too. We're waiting for probation on Mr. Pearson, correct?
Yeah, if anyone said the officer.
Mr. Thompson, we have the District Thompson file, please.
Your Honor, just so that you are aware, Mr. Thompson has expressed to me that he was never arraigned on this matter, and I did review the register of actions. It appears as if it was a waiver of arraignment on May the 15th, but he says he never waived his arraignment. So he wants to express that concern. He says his due process has been violated and that he would like the matter dismissed. And I told him he could express all of that to the court.
I appreciate that. I knew Mr. Thompson's face was familiar to me. I'm going to go ahead and call the matter. Calling ticket number P1892675, City versus Deshaun Thompson. Mr. Thompson, state your name for the record, please.
This is Deshaun Thompson.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, I remember you. You came in, and when you came in and expressed that you had not been arraigned, we arraigned you again on the record. I have a very distinct memory of it.
Yes.
I also have a note that you refused appointed counsel, that we were recommending that you have appointed counsel because you wanted to file motions.
Yes,
And then
the communications with them, like they're.
This is not a conversation right now, just yet, Mr. Thompson. I'm just going through my record of what happened. If I'm incorrect about something, let me know, okay? You did come in and see me in person, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I remember that day. And you expressed your concern about arraignment at that time, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and didn't I arraign you on the record at that time?
No.
All right, I'm going to do it again because I have a distinct memory of doing it. You are charged with disorderly public intoxication and disorderly conduct. Those are misdemeanors for which the maximum possible penalty is up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. Highly unlikely that either of those would happen in this courtroom, given what I'm seeing before me. This is alleged to have occurred on April the 7th, 2026 in the area of Michigan and Cass Avenue in the city of Detroit. And so, you know, this is now at least the second time that I have arraigned you to my memory, but at least we've got the one on record. Even though we had a waiver on file, I'm happy to do that. So you wanted to file a motion.
Yes, the attorney that you had to contact me. I've been expressing what I've been telling you, the same thing, and it's been just breakdown in communication. There's a lot of over talking, a lot of condescending conversation to me, just a lot of just disrespect.
Which attorney did you speak with?
I forget their name. It's Brad. I think it was a lady named Bradford. And it was another one. Hold on, let me see. With it. 1 second.
Okay. Is there an offer in his file, Attorney Gaten Robinson?
I am not aware, Your Honor, but he maintains that he wants a dismissal because his due process has been violated. And so I wouldn't even go over an offer with him until he had this issue addressed on the record.
Understood. Okay. So the motion to dismiss on that basis is denied for the reasons previously stated by the court. That Mr. Thompson came in person, made his concern personally in person known to the court. We reviewed the register of actions at that time, showing that there had been a waiver of the arraignment. We then
Okay.
arraigned Mr. Thompson on that day. I'm
Okay.
still speaking. We arraigned Mr. Thompson, and then I just arraigned him again. So there's not going to be a dismissal on that basis, but if you have motions that you want to file, I'm happy to review that, but you're going to need an attorney's assistance, likely to do that, because I still don't have a motion in front of me.
Well, like I said, the attorneys, all the attorneys, this is like a third attorney. They, like I said, they're being very disrespectful. They're talking over me. They don't know what's going on in the case, so they won't even let me explain. So what's really going on? Like I said, somebody.
Tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me, Mr. Thompson, don't tell me, because you may be going to trial. It's not appropriate for me to hear what was going on yet. Okay, the attorneys, when they're meeting you, are gonna
on the case matter.
listen to what happened, and then they're going to help you understand procedurally, legally, where we are and what you can do. That should be what they're doing, and the decision as to whether to plead or go to trial should always be yours. In terms of Ms. Gaten Robinson, can you just tell me if you see an offer for him?
Give me one moment, Your Honor.
Okay. Corporal Spidell, which case are you here on again, please?
I believe it was Ronisha Turner. I gotta look again. Ronisha Turner. Yes, Your Honor. I got kicked out earlier. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, you're going to room 1.
Let me see if Ms. Horn sent the offers to my other email address, Your Honor.
Yeah, she said she did send them.
She has 2 emails for me, so sometimes it goes, yeah, it went to the other one.
Okay.
Let's see. Your Honor, the offer is for the plea to the 6-month disorderly conduct.
Okay, so 6-month delay. Okay.
Yes,
I'm going to
Your
have you go in back with Mr. Thompson, explain to him what that means. If he wishes to proceed to trial, he can certainly do that.
So when he just mentioned that attorney's name, I did reach out to Ms. Bradfield. She says that he was switched to Matthew Dupree on the 20th of this month.
Yes, I was trying to explain to her about the case.
Mr. Thompson, give us
details
one
and
moment. Give us just one moment, sweetie.
All right.
So, yes.
Okay, so Attorney Dupree. Okay.
Now, is Attorney Dupree, Mr. Thompson, the person you said you had, the last person you said you had a breakdown with? Or did you speak with Mr. Dupree?
Yes, I spoke with him.
Okay. So there was a breakdown with Ms. Bradfield and there was a breakdown with Mr. Dupree?
Yes, and I forget the first one. It was a breakdown with him. He kept all of them keep over talking me, and they don't know anything about the situation. They keep saying it's not going to be on record if the file was if the arraignment was waived. But I'm telling them I did not waive my arraignment. Well, if it's not on file for me being arraigned, it got to be a signature somewhere. Then.
Well,
not if you're on Zoom, sir. Not if you're on Zoom. What would you sign on Zoom? Absolutely wouldn't be if you were on Zoom.
So it would have to be express consent to waive. Then that would have to be on a transcript or something.
No,
well,
sir.
And they so here's the thing, Mr. Thompson. Yeah, they come in with you. They talk to a lot of people. They ask you if you're waiving your arraignment. They tell you what you're charged with, etc. So
read my charges.
All right, so I would suggest then that Mr. Thompson, okay, I understand where the talking over issue is coming from. Mr. Thompson, here's the thing. I like you. You came in person. We got along just fine, okay? This is not a thing where you just get to pick any attorney that you want. We're trying to give you an attorney that can just help you procedurally through the process. So
that's the
I'm going
last
to get
thing
this.
I'm going to get with somebody.
I'm going to be represented. Mr. Thompson, I don't know if you have a delay or if you're talking over includes you talking over me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get Attorney Dupree here and I'm going to ask him what's going on if that's what Attorney Gabe Robinson, if you think he's still appointed, we will get Attorney Dupree here so that we can decide whether or not he wants to file a motion on your behalf, or you guys are going to set this for a bench trial. Okay.
He keep trying to tell me about a motion for arraignment. I'm telling him, how can I be arraigned 3 months later?
You can discuss that with him, but you know what? He's a good attorney. Both of the attorneys that were appointed to you are good attorneys, and they can help you work through those issues. You know, their job is to advise you, Mr. Thompson. It's Mr. Thompson. I'm starting to lose my patience. Their job is to advise you. Okay. It's to advise you and give you guidance. The decision will always be yours, but it's also not for them to just tell you what you want to hear. It's for them to hear from you what you believe happened, and for them to tell you legally what they believe the results of that are or will be. So, Mr. Thompson, I'm going to place you back in a breakout room so that you can meet with Attorney Dupree when he gets back. When he gets here, I'm going to place you there. But, you know, this is not a thing where you just get to go through 5 and 6 attorneys. Unfortunately, I can't do that.
I don't want to do that.
Go to room 9, please join room 9, and I will send Attorney Dupree when he gets here.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm going to move on to someone else.
Thank you, Attorney Gabe Robinson.
No problem. I don't want to do that.
All right, on the iPhone, what is your name, please?
Edward Perkovic.
Spell your last name, please.
Perkovic.
All right, and Mr. Perkovic is scheduled for what time? What time are you scheduled to be here, sir?
Honestly, I believe I wrote it down as 8:30.
Okay, it's 10 a.m.
The truth is, last night I was riding a mini bike downtown, and they pulled us over and took our bikes, and well, I had to walk home, so that's why
Oh,
I'm just a
wow.
little tired. I just woke up. I'm very sorry.
Okay, all right. But I also don't see you on the docket today, so can you run him and see if he's another one for tomorrow?
Can you spell your last name, sir?
P-E-R.
I got it. Perkovic. First name is Edward. Perkovic.
Perkovic. Okay, there's a warrant.
Can you see when he was supposed to be here?
7:23.
Good morning.
Thank you. All right, good morning, Attorney White. I need you in just a moment.
Okay.
Okay, we had you scheduled for July 23rd, which means a warrant got issued, but I'll recall the warrant. Okay, and then I need to give you a date to come back, and I need you to make sure you're here, okay?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it was the 27th. I think they said I thought that the person said that everybody that day was advised to come on the 27th on.
Yeah, you know, we've had 3 or 4 people here today that were here on the wrong day, so I believe you that that's what happened. So I've recalled it. I'll make sure that doesn't happen, okay? And then let's
I'm sorry for
date
being late too.
back. It's okay. All right, so let's get you. I don't want to push it out that far. This is just a pre-trial. Let's go to. Can you come back in a week, Mr. Perkovic, at 8:30?
Yes, what's the
So
date?
that'll be, to the clerk, please, August 3rd at 8:30 a.m. for Mr. Perkovic. Let's get him a pretrial.
August 3rd.
Yeah, pretrial August 3rd at 8:30 a.m. Okay, we'll see you back then.
Yep.
Okay, have a good day. Hope you get some rest.
Nice to. Thank you so much.
There you go, in case you need the ROA there. I'm trying to understand Mr. Thedford. He's only got this one open case now.
Yes.
He's paid everything else.
Here he owes $1,000.
Oh, he owes, okay.
That's only the case.
These others are in default. Okay. Hold on, Mr. Thedford. If you want, it's going to be a plea to that. Okay. That's what's going on with this ticket. And then 581. 581. Be dismissed. 2582. None of this makes any sense to me.
This one's closed.
And how was it closed?
Owes a guilty plea for $190 on 2/25/26.
That's the other.
Delayed sentence, scheduled for review of 5/26.
So he pled guilty on this one.
It's just a delayed sentence, dismissal one thing.
Fine equals, can you tell if he paid it?
Yes, he paid it on March the 10th, 2026.
Okay, so this one needs to be dismissed. Because that was a delayed sentence, right?
It's already closed.
Okay, but was it closed dismissed?
Oh. Yep, dismissed.
Okay, and then we have two, 5, 8, 1, and 8, 2. Would you just make sure that that and the corresponding 8, 2 are closed for him as well? You said he pled guilty February of 2026?
Yes.
Okay. That one should have been a dismissal. Was it dismissed?
Yep, dismissed by party.
Okay. And was 8-2 dismissed as well? Okay, this is just a new ticket that he got. That's all that is. All right. Attorney White. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm looking at I was looking back at Mr. Thedford's stuff, and then I just saw that you had a guilty as charged. Is this an improper plate or is it an as charged?
No insurance. Yeah, as charged, no insurance.
Okay,
There's
was
no
that the
offer.
offer for the
Yeah,
attorney?
there's no offer.
And, okay.
Yep.
All right, I just wanted to double check that with you. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
All right, Mr. Thedford, we'll get you done. It was a little curious to me, but we've gotten it sorted out now. This is your second go round with me in this year. So please unmute. Let's get your camera on. We'll get your plea done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Calling ticket number P19234441, City of James Thedford. Mr. Thedford, state your name for the record, please.
James Thetford.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thedford, you are charged with no insurance. There's no offer on the ticket, likely because they dismissed one of these for you a few months back. So this is, I understand you're going to plead guilty as charged to the no insurance. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And did anyone promise you anything to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes. Yeah.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial.
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on June 11th of 2026 in the area of Finkel and Hubble that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190, 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You must do one of those two things in the next 60 days to keep your deal in place. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Have a good day.
You too. Be blessed. Yeah.
You too. We're still waiting on Calvin Pearson. Yeah, I mean, it's been a while. And then can you see if you have contact information for Matt Dupree? I need to get him here.
Hey, this is Judge Ramsey's courtroom. We have a signed client here. All right, thank you. Dupree said he's a Judge Robbins. He's gonna come in as soon as he's.
Thank you.
We never got a probation officer. Oh, was that? I thought that was. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. They have no documentation.
Hey, Mr. Pearson, go ahead and unmute.
Yes.
All right, you were supposed to do some testing and take a class. Probation is saying they don't have any proof from you of either one of those two things. Did you do those things?
I gotta take my class at the end of this month. I gotta pay for it this week, but she said they only do the class once a month on a Saturday.
Okay. And then what about the testing?
I've been trying to get time off of work and everything. I don't have too much PTO, so I'm trying to get around to it as soon as possible. Sorry for the delay.
Okay, Mr. Pearson, this is not a thing where you have to go sit down at a desk and take a test for 8 hours. I need you to get it done. And I need you to get, I'm pretty sure I gave you non-reporting probation here just so you could get those two things done. I don't want to have to turn it into a reporting probation so that someone is tracking you. That's going to cost you money. So I need you to get it done. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring you back in 30 days. I want to see these things done. That's gonna be August the 26th.
Um,
Go ahead.
I think I might have court in East Point on August 26th. I'm not sure.
All right. You want to do we'll set you for the 25th here then. So August 25th. Okay.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you back August 25th, 8:30 a.m. I expect you to be telling you these things are done when you come back. Madam Court Reporter, for the record, that's ticket number U725-66125, People versus Calvin Pearson. Mr. Pearson, just state your name for the record.
Kelvin Pearson.
Thank you. Matter is adjourned to August 25th, 2026 to allow for compliance. Have a good day, Mr. Pearson. Attorney Dupree, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I apologize. I've been in I'm still in Judge Robbins on the other screen, trying to get something done. I will be ready on Mr. Thompson whenever the court would like. I've already spoken to him.
Okay. He's come out today. He's continuing his arguments about arraignment. I told him I didn't know whether or not there was going to be a motion filed, but if he wants to go to trial, that's certainly his right. And we can set that. He's in room 9. Do you want to go speak with him first?
He's going to be requesting new counsel, so I don't know that there's anything else I need to say to him.
All right, I'm going to bring him out.
Your Honor, do you know if we lost the gentleman in 20? Is he in a waiting room or something? Did he try to log back in?
I don't know. I don't know who that was, unfortunately. Do you know? So Kim will usually take a pic breakout room, so she'll know if we lose somebody. She does it. Okay, Mr. Thompson, I have Attorney Dupree here. You know, he's telling me that he understands you're going to be requesting new counsel today as well. I will do that, but this is going to be the last time. And if you can't get along with the next attorney that I appoint, then we're going to have to talk about something else. I'm sorry.
I'm explaining my case to them, and they're getting disrespectful and rude and condescending to me. It's not me.
Well, that's not something I normally hear about the two. In fact, I've never heard that about the two attorneys that were appointed to you. And so if that's your experience, I'm going to call the case again. I'm going to call the case, and we will put in one more request for counsel for you. But that's going to be the last time, just so you know. I don't want it to come as a surprise.
Your Honor, I keep telling him to because I remember you had given me the fee waiver forms, and you had approved the fee waiver, and the court clerk, she keep denying it, saying that I gotta pay her for the transcripts.
Well, we can get a transcript. What do you want? You want a transcript from the day of your arraignment?
Yes.
Okay, well, it's just a request. I've got
transcripts from the day of my arraignment.
Mr. Thompson, when I ask you a question, sir, it's for your own good. I just want answers to the questions so that I can get what you need. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you pull up the first appearance for Mr. Thompson on his arraignment? I don't know whether there will be a transcript, but I don't know. All right. Calling ticket number P1892675, City versus Deshaun Santo Thompson. Attorney Dupree.
Matthew Dupree, P80132 for the defendant.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, state your name for the record, please.
Deshaun Thompson.
Thank you. All right. So, Mr. Thompson, as stated, Attorney Dupree, go ahead, please.
Judge, I believe Mr. Thompson wishes to address the court relating to my representation of him.
All right, thank you.
All
right.
Yes, I was trying to get the transcripts to the arraignment date, and if the transcripts are not available, I want a verified signature of my arraignment, either a personal waiver arraignment or the SCAO.
Okay. So, Mr. Thompson,
form?
If you're going to represent yourself, you can do that. But what's happening is, I think I can tell, is the attorneys are saying, this is how this goes, and you're saying, no, this is how I want it to go. But we'll try it one more time. But
if he's going to represent me and I'm asking for specific forms to document to prove what I'm saying is correct, he can't just not deny me that.
Okay, one moment, please.
So the arraignment was 5:15. You waited.
Right.
I even tried to do it myself. They denied, the clerks are denying me that.
Okay, thank you. All right. So I will give you one more attorney. After that, you're going to make a decision yourself as to whether or not you know, if you can't make it work with that attorney, you're going to have to.
I have a right to counsel. It's not my fault that they're one.
Mr. Thompson, I'm not sure why you think every time I'm talking, it's your turn to talk to.
Because
I've heard what you have to say. You're dissatisfied with your legal representation thus far. I'm giving you appointing an attorney to you, and no, quite frankly, constitutionally, because these are not jail time cases, you're not entitled to counsel. This is something that we do for you. No, when you're not facing jail time in a misdemeanor case, there is no automatic right. But we provide counsel for you here at 36th District Court because we want to make sure you're thoroughly represented. Now I'm going to appoint an attorney to you one more time. We have your information on file. I'm going to have them work with you. But if they come in here and tell me that they can't, then we're going to be looking at something else. So I'm going to give you a date to come back. You're going to come back on August 10th at 9:15 a.m.
So can I ask a question real fast?
One moment. One
okay.
moment.
Okay, I didn't. Okay.
Thank you. All right. So I just want to make sure that we've got everything clear on the record about when you're going to come back. That's going to be August 10th at 9:15 a.m. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to have an attorney appointed. Mr. Dupree, I will grant the withdrawal. Thank you.
Judge, if I might.
Uh-huh.
I do just want to know, I don't know that he has yet explicitly, I know he said it off the record before we went on. I don't know that he has explicitly on the record requested a substitution of appointed counsel.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to be represented by an attorney? I think you did it before you were here, Attorney Dupree. Would you like us to appoint a different attorney for you, Mr. Thompson? That was my understanding of what you wanted us to do.
It doesn't matter what attorney, as long as they're not being disrespectful towards me in the matter. When I'm explaining myself to them, and
right.
I'm trying to be these correct.
I need you to remember that that's a two-way street, right? So you want respect, and so when they're talking and giving you information, even if it's information you don't like or don't want to hear, that is the answer. So we will see you back August 10th, 9:15 a.m. for your final trial with your appointed counsel. Yes, I'm still waiting for the question.
Is this a criminal matter? Or civil?
Yes, sir. You're charged with 2 misdemeanors. These are criminal matters.
Okay, and so I was trying to get the fee waiver for the transcripts and the document, the fee waiver.
What they are likely telling you is that the transcript that you're asking for a transcript of an arraignment, right? Yes. And so the records reflect that you waived your arraignment, meaning it wasn't held.
What
I will do is I will pull the transcripts from your last court date. When you walked in, we'll do that. I'll pull that transcript for you because I know that exists, and I'll provide that to you. Okay?
You said the last court date?
Your last court date, when you came in person and complained that you had not been arraigned and stated that you had not waived it, and I arraigned you, we will pull that. And then your attorney, we're done now, Mr. Thompson. Please watch for contact from the attorney that's being appointed to you now, okay? So that they can help guide you through the process. Mr. Thompson, I'm not allowed to give you legal advice, sir. We're done today.
You being partial. How are you being impartial? If I can't speak,
and I'll see you back August 10th at 9:15 a.m.
Thank you.
Nikia Thomas, may I have the Nikia Thomas file, please? Thank you, Attorney Dupree.
Yes.
All right, go ahead and start your hand for me. We'll get your matter done. And then guys, if you could check, Attorney Gaten Robinson and Attorney White, if you could check those trial rooms now, that'll be in the upper rooms, for whether or not officers are here. I didn't get a chance to deal with them all, so I'm not positive, but if you've got any no officers, now would be the time.
Okay, just waiting to talk with Miss Horn on one.
She should be in room. She's here now, so she'll likely be in room 2 in a moment.
Okay, thanks.
Calling ticket number P1904804, City versus Nakia Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please start your camera. State your name for the record.
Nakia Thomas.
Thank you. All right. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty, but under a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
These are just questions I have to ask under the court rules. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
That's the question, right?
Yes. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept a plea today because there will not be a trial?
Can you say that again?
If you plead guilty today, you won't have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
So the rights that they told you would have if you had a trial, you won't have anymore if I accept a plea today. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Oh, you said.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on April 29th of 2026 in the area of Dwight and Parkview that you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You have 90 days to get that paid. As long as you pay it in the 90 days and don't get any similar tickets, we'll just pull this up and dismiss it. If something happens, don't get it paid in full, or you pick up another ticket like this, then you have to come back and see me in 90 days, which is going to be October the 26th at 8:30 in the morning, but only if you need to. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I would pay like the ticket online.
You may pay the ticket online through the court's website. You may pay at any of the DivDat machines in the city of Detroit. You may also come in and pay in person on the first floor with the cashiers. Make sure they know which ticket it is being applied to. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
You too.
Officer on Parazon. Check in. I did not have an officer check in on Trice. This is going to irritate me. I don't think I had anyone check in on Paige either. I have the Marcellus Page file, please. And the Michael Parazon file, please. Thank you. Mr. Page, good morning. I'm going to go ahead and call your matter. The officer has not appeared. Calling ticket number U7548786, City versus Michael Parazon. Mr. Parazon, state your name for, I'm sorry. Hold on, these got mixed up. Parazon, okay. Mr. Page, we'll go to yours first. Calling ticket number U7432936, City versus Marcellus Page. Mr. Page, state your name for the record, please.
Marcellus Page.
Thank you. Mr. Page, your case was set for trial today at 9:30 a.m. Officer Rempe was subpoenaed to appear and has failed to appear. For that reason, your ticket is being dismissed without prejudice at this time. Without prejudice means that the officer could seek to refile it at a later date if they chose to do so. If they were successful in doing so, you'd come back and see me again and we'd get through the process, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Michael Parazon, please unmute, turn on your camera.
Greetings.
Good morning. How are you today?
Relatively well.
Good. All right. I think we're going to get a little better. Calling ticket number U7548786. This is City versus Michael Parazon. Mr. Parazon, just state your name for the record, please.
Michael Parazon.
Thank you, Mr. Parazon. Officer Caldwell would have been subpoenaed to appear for your trial today and has failed to appear. As such, the ticket is being dismissed at this time without prejudice. Without prejudice means that the officer could refile it at a later date or try to refile it if they chose to do so, and they were successful, you'd come back and we'd start the process again. But for now, it is dismissed. Okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Have a good day.
Peace.
All right. Bye-bye. Same to you. Thank you. I get Carpenter to come out. Attorney Carpenter, good morning. You have Kennedy Trice in room 7, who is apparently here for trial.
Yes, I'm still waiting on the prosecutor.
I have not seen an officer appear on that matter, and I've been checking officers in myself this morning.
Okay, perfect. I'll go ahead and bring her out then.
Thank you. I have the file, please. She's in room 7.
Okay.
Oh, Officer Lund did appear. That's not correct. Kennedy Trice. I remember that. I just don't remember him giving me that name, and I wonder if I thought it was Price, which all the other officers are here on. I'm sorry, Attorney Carpenter. It looks like Lund did check in. I think he gave me, I think I heard Price and he said Trice, so I lumped him in with the Price matter that you're also doing. So I'm gonna put you back in. Guys, you have a motion that you filed, Ms. Trice. Mr. Carpenter, Attorney Carpenter did file a motion on your behalf. I'm gonna put you back in your breakout room so you can speak with city attorney about your case. Go to room 8. I'll move you back to room 7 so he can find you, okay?
Okay.
Go to room 8, Ms. Trice, and I'll send you back to 7.
So did both officers appear for both matters?
So it looks like we did have Lund on Ms. Trice. Who else were we expecting someone else on Kennedy Trice?
No, well, the complaining witness, but
Okay. So Lund appeared on Trice for sure. And then on Price, you have a number of attorneys here. And now Ms. Horn's in room 2, so you can go see her.
all right, perfect. Thank you.
I remember Officer Lund, but I think I just didn't associate him with that case. Okay. Here we go. Officer Warren, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm sorry. I was trying to leave the
That's
meeting.
okay. Yep. Parsons did not appear. All right. Thank you for your appearance today.
That's no problem.
That's what it was. I put Price on Lund instead of Trice. I didn't realize Carpenter had Price and Trice. Okay. All right. Now a little waiting period.
Your Honor, Mr. Thomas is going to take an offer.
Okay, thank you, Attorney Gaten Robinson. Calling ticket number P1894722, City versus Joseph Thomas Jr. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your full name for the record.
Joseph J. Thomas Jr.
Your
All right,
Honor,
counsel looks like,
Officer Nelson did check in on this matter. I did speak with the prosecutor regarding this matter. There's an offer for a reduction to failure to display, and the no insurance and original driving while license revoked will be dismissed.
all right, thank you. So, all right, so we'll dismiss the no insurance, reduce the driving suspended to failure to display. Is that correct?
Yes.
And Mr. Thomas, just state your name for the record.
Joseph J. Thomas Jr.
Does that sound correct to you, the one charge of failure to display?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Sir, is it true that on April 8th of 2026 in the area of Schaefer and Chalfonte that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to pay it. Counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Thomas, you can put your hand down. Thank you. 60 days, sir, to pay the $190 or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You can pay your ticket online through the court's website at a DivDat machine in the city of Detroit. Don't put too much money in. You won't get change back. Or you can come pay the cashiers in person on the first floor. Do one of those two things, or without in the next 60 days, either paying them off in full by one of those means or getting on the long-term payment plan to keep your deal in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see, does that do it for you? Carpenter has Price and Trice. And then I think Attorney White was working with Renisha Turner. So that would mean you're all done, I think.
Yeah, and did we figure out who the gentleman was that checked in and we lost out of 20?
No, but let me double check my list.
Because he just wasn't dressed, and I told him I would be back to talk to him. He was just supposed to be putting on a shirt. So I don't know if he logged off or if he fell off.
I don't know if it was Mr. Pinkins.
Pinkins sounds right. Let me see if I talk to Pinkins.
Jamin Pinkins, Jamin, Pinkins, Penkins.
Pinkins might be right.
Okay.
Mr. Clerk, do you want me to give you my dates?
Can you email them to me?
Is that Mr. Sloan?
Yes.
Okay. You know, I'm trying to guess the voice. Okay. All right. I'll send it over to you, Mr. Sloan.
So then what we'll do on Pinkins, we'll just set a new date.
Okay.
Sloan, we'll set a new date on Pinkins instead of setting a warrant because he was here. I don't know what happened. Let's just set the next pretrial date. So we'll have time for notice, August the 10th at 8:35.
Okay. Okay, Your Honor, I believe that's all for me.
Okay, have a great day, Attorney Gaten Robinson. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. The young prince got a new bike, so I think I'm gonna let him practice a little bit.
That's nice. That's a fun way to spend some time. Okay.
He always outgrowing stuff at this point in life.
You know, the first time I was learning to ride a bike, I was so afraid to hit the brakes that I tried to jump off and went slide over the bars. I don't know why I was afraid of the brakes because the outcome was much worse.
Yeah, and these new bikes, they get the kids the handbrakes and the foot brakes. I'm like, this too much for them to. They little.
You have one of those things to attach to the seat so you don't have to bend over the whole time you're behind them.
No, my husband is going to make something work and figure it out. So when I was having a problem teaching him and it was hurting my back bending down, we ended up setting up cinder blocks in my family room in front of the TV and putting his training wheels in the cinder blocks where his back wheel was lifted off the floor. And he would sit there and watch TV and pedal, pedal, pedal. So now I don't have to hold his bike at all.
Oh,
because he's
great.
great at pedaling.
Yeah, I had one of those things that attached to the bike seat. So it was like a handle because I couldn't do it. I was back. Yeah.
I wish I had one of them because I was hurting my back, bending down, trying to steer the bike. Sir, you can't go in the street. You're not good like that yet. Come on.
All right. Well, I hope you
have a great one.
His time with mom, getting better on his bike. And I hope you enjoy your time too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good one. Bye. All right. We just have Trice and Price and Turner. What's going on here? Trice, Price, and Turner. Oh, here's Thomas. Okay, guys, what are we doing here? Hey guys, unfortunately, I cannot join you in a breakout room, so I brought you out just to get status update. Do you both have offers on your clients?
I don't have an offer yet.
Neither. Just waiting for Tamika to email me the offers, but
Okay, is that what she said she was going to do? Email offers to you guys?
I have one person left, yeah.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
You guys can go back to room 2. Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm working on these cases. If the court would just please give me a moment.
No problem. I was just checking
Thank you.
status. If I could
Okay,
come
thank
into
you.
a ask, I would, but I can't. So just checking status. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. I have a device that says Zoom user. I need you to unmute and tell me your name, please. Zoom user, unmute and give me a name or you will be removed from the session.
Jamie Pinkins.
Mr. Pinkins, did you get knocked off for some reason?
Yes, every time I've joined today, I've been having phone difficulties. And my
Okay.
battery died while I was charging it up. So now all the chargers I had didn't work. So I had to come outside and use the car charger in the phone. I'm not driving. I just had to use the car charger that worked.
Can I see the Pinkins file, please?
I'm so sorry. I got disconnected twice.
It's okay. Give me a minute because the attorney that you were working with left, but I do still have one attorney here that might be able to help depending upon how complicated this is.
I'm so sorry. And I
It's
was
okay.
charging my phone, but the charger I had in the house wasn't working right. And it just
Okay.
died on me.
I'm looking for you on the docket though, because I thought you just had one case. Thank you. So just one, two. Mr. Pinkins at 8:45. You probably ran an SOS on him already. Let's see. No, Joseph Thomas, Denise Thomas. Nope, and Demetrius Taylor. Can we run an SOS on Mr. Pinkins? Just a minute, Mr. Pinkins. Oh, no. Yeah. So what they're offering you, sir, is they're going to dismiss the license ticket if you want to plead guilty on the marijuana ticket. And if you plead guilty on the marijuana ticket, they're offering you a 3-month delayed sentence. A delayed sentence means that it goes on your criminal record today, right? If you plead to it. And then in 3 months, as long as you pay the fine of $190 and you don't get any similar tickets, then we'll take it off your criminal record.
So this has nothing to do with my driving while suspended.
So you do have that ticket too going along with it, but if you want to plead under the 3-month delayed sentence on the marijuana charge, they'll dismiss the license charge.
So will I still be eligible to get my license back in September?
This would not affect that.
Do I have anything else pending? Because I remember I had 2 driving on license suspended. I don't know.
All right, let's see. Would you run Mr. Pinkins, see if he has anything else? I've got a disregarding red or yellow light for you from 2026, which we can still deal with. And you'll want to deal with that because it has points.
Yes. I just really want to do anything I can to get my license back.
Okay.
Because I'm currently suspended right now to September.
What I want to do, Mr. Pinkins, is I want to have you, I'm sorry that you had so much difficulty today. I think you should consult with one of the attorneys, which means you're probably going to need to come back tomorrow. Can you make sure your phone is charged?
Most definitely.
Okay. Does that work for you if we do it tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning?
I would definitely have the right charger. I'm going to make sure I bring this one in the house.
All right, let's have you log back in tomorrow at 8:30. We'll hold the offer that they made today, but that way they can also deal with that disregarding red or yellow light because that's putting points on your license. You don't want that if you can avoid it.
Exactly. So will it be the same courtroom and all the same everything?
Yeah, you say you see one more in warrant status. Let's print out the ROA on that one. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay. Yep. Just zoom in back in tomorrow morning at 8:30. You're right. You did have another driving while not licensed ticket. So we'll remove the warrant on that one, please. Sloan, we'll remove the warrant. And then we'll see you back tomorrow at 8:30. Okay.
Same courtroom, same information, or?
I'll write back in. Yep.
Thank you so much, because I was nervous.
Oh, no problem. All right.
See you in the
Things
morning.
happen. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Attorney Carpenter, who we ready on?
I am ready on Kennedy Trice.
Okay. Calling ticket number P1896002, City versus Kennedy Trice. Counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Kennedy Trice. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Kennedy Trice.
Thank you. I'm just trying to bring Officer Lund out. All right, counsel, what are we doing here?
Your Honor, the prosecutor has informed me that she is willing to dismiss the case for best interest of justice.
Okay, thank you. All right, dismissal is granted. Ms. Trice, have a good day.
Thank you so much. You as well.
All right, who else do we have ready? Attorney White, you have Renisha Turner ready? Looks like
Correct.
she's got a. You may have to go tell her to come out. I haven't had much luck today.
Oh,
And then what about Kevin? Oh, he's going back on Kevin Price. Officer Lund, I didn't know if you wanted to place your appearance on the record as to the Trice matter. We're still on that matter. If you want to just state your name and badge number.
Badge 393.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day, officer. You are now on record as having appeared. Thank you.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, thank you, officer. And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. I'm not sure where we are in the disposition of this case, but the people are moving to dismiss in the interest of justice. Upon reading the report and discussing this with Officer Lunt, Frank, in all transparency, I would have left too. He had a gun on him, and the officers were actually called to the scene for what they believe was an aggravated assault. And
Gotcha.
the charges leave the scene, I think, justified in leaving.
Leaving the scene of an accident. Okay, thank you for that explanation. Attorney Carpenter did represent at least some of that to me, that it was going to be a dismissal in the interest of justice. I did grant it. Thank you, Attorney Horn.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And the officer also said he mailed the ticket because he was on the fence at the scene based on what was going on. So yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, you know, it's getting dangerous out here.
Don't hit me. Don't come near my car. Leave me alone.
I'm like, please don't honk the horn at anyone. Please just don't do anything.
Yeah, yeah. Mr. Carpenter, I'm going to go over this matter with if he's still here, with Officer Ossie. Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Attorney White, I'm still waiting on Renisha Turner to come out.
let me go get her. Once. Oh, she left. I thought she came into the main courtroom.
She's still showing for me in room 3. You're not seeing
okay,
her.
let me go back. This is weird. One second.
Oh, she's here now. Okay. Okay, Ms. Turner, give me just a moment. Your attorney went back in to try to get your get you to come out. So let's
give
me just a moment.
But
Attorney White, are you back with me?
Yes, I am.
All right, thank you. Calling ticket number X4697735 and all other related matters on today's docket to People versus Renisha Turner. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Rita White on behalf of Miss Renisha Turner.
Thank you. Ms. Turner, please state your name for the record.
Renisha Turner.
Thank you. Ms. Turner, I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to, it looks like, 2 counts of failure to display a valid license, 3 counts of improper plates, 1 count of blockading, and 1 count of limited access 11 to 15 over speed. Does all of that sound right to you?
Yes.
And Did anyone promise you everything else would be dismissed? Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Are you,
Oh
were
my
you
gosh.
forced, threatened, or coerced into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor. No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, one moment, please. One is blockading. Sorry, I'm just writing these all out. Give me one moment. Making sure everything's ready to go. All right, where's my improper plate coming from? Perfect. Improper plate, Slidell, and Delbox. Okay. Slidell, we're going to have one improper plate.
Oh, that's the state trooper. I was about to say, I need to.
Ms. Turner, you're not muted.
Sorry.
It's okay. Just want to make sure you know. All right, that was Slidell. And then we got Delbosk. This will be improper plate.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ma'am, is it true that on May 25th of 2023 in the area of Greenfield and Finkel that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then is it also true that on November 14th of 2023 in the area of southbound Greenfield and Birch that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it also true, you are admitting that on October 1st of 2025 in the area of northbound Livernois and Clifton that you were blockading traffic? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. It's true that on October 1st of 2025 in the area of northbound Livernois and Clifton that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it also true that on May 21st of 2026 in the area of I-96 local and Grand River that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it also true that you were operating your vehicle at least 11 miles per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. 125, 135. Can you check the fine on 11 to 15 for me? I think it's 150, but I'm not sure. This is just for the fine on an 11 to 15 over. Let's see. And then is it also true, ma'am, that on September 19th of 2020 in the area of southbound Schaefer and Beatrice that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You can put your, oh, I'm so sorry. You can put your hand down, Ms. Turner. 125 is 1 to 5, 5 to 6 to 10 is 135. I think this one's one. All right. You're going to have a number of fines to pay. They're going to be, each of them is going to be $190 for each of the things you just pled to. And then you've got your, except for your civil infractions, which are the blockading, that one's 175, and the 11 to 15 over, which I believe is 145 or 150 off the top of my head. You'll be able to get the exact amount tomorrow once they total everything up and dismiss the things that are being dismissed. You're going to have a couple of choices here. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of two things: 90 days to pay off all the fines, or 90 days to go see the cashiers on the first floor and start on a longer term payment plan with them. You do that by giving them a down payment. As long as you give them the down payment they're asking for in the next 90 days, you're safe. You'll keep your deal in place. Okay.
Yes.
So my advice is always go see them sooner rather than later if you know a long-term payment plan is what you need, so that you can get that down payment together within the 90 days and get it started. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Attorney White, anything further on this case?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Thank you, Ms. Turner. Have a good day. Don't try to pay anything until tomorrow. Let us update the system.
Okay.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
All
Okay.
right.
Thank you, Attorney White, for all of your work.
Yeah, likewise. Okay, take care.
Thank you. Bye. All right, one left.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Your Honor, you're muted.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Peters Jackson, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
And is that your last name, sir?
Yes, Peters Jackson. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Do you know if we have that file? It would be with the 130s.
No, I did have a question about this.
Okay, give me 1 second. So you're scheduled actually for 1:30 today, but I'm just going to try to do what they would do at 1:30 so you don't have to come back on again. What's your question?
I live in Mississippi.
I'm going to turn your
However,
camera off again. Connection's bad. Hold on. Okay, you live where?
I live in Picayune, Mississippi. I'm not really sure how I received the charge on June the 7th. I work in Louisiana, live in Mississippi. I'm not sure how I received this charge at all.
Okay.
I would think that somebody reported fraud. So I'm just not really sure what I should do about this right now.
Yep, so that would indicate that there is some kind of identity fraud going on. Not how they got a hold of, not sure how they got a hold of your name. I don't know if any identification was shown. Let me get city attorney out here.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Hey, Attorney Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have Mr. Peters Jackson who is here. He's scheduled for 1:30. I turned his camera off because the connection is bad. But he's scheduled for 1:30, and he has a charge of basically open burning. Says set fire to paper materials using a cigarette inside a shopping cart at the transit center. However, Mr. Peters Jackson lives in Mississippi and has not been here in Michigan and is confused as to how he got this charge. So I'm just trying to determine what I should do next in terms of bench trial, appointing counsel, et cetera.
Yes, he would likely, I would say, need appointed counsel. We also need proof of his residency in the going forward, and possibly a police report if there is an identity issue.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Sloan, would you please chat Mr. Peters Jackson? Just start a chat with him. Mr. Peters Jackson, we're going to have the clerk start a chat with you. I need you to send us back your contact information. I need your address. I need your address, your phone number, and an email address if you use one. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an attorney appointed to you so that they can walk you through, just showing that this wasn't you. We'll set it, if it goes that far, we'll set it for bench trial, and then the government has to actually prove it was you, but you may be able to avoid it having to go that far if you get documents, et cetera.
Okay. Okay, I'm sending it right now. Thank you.
Screen, take a picture of it or whatever, so, because we're going to need to request appointed counsel here. Then I'm going to give you a date to come back, okay? As I said, you are charged, they're saying that on June 7th of 2026, someone at least using your name was charged with setting fire to a trash can at the transit center, or open burning as it's referred to. It is a misdemeanor for which the maximum possible penalty is up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. I just have to tell you that under the court rules. Then we're going to set your pretrial for August the 10th at 9:15 a.m. And that's to make sure that you've connected with an attorney and that they're walking you through this process. Okay.
Okay. Will I receive any type of documentation with that?
So through your attorney, you can get a copy of the ticket. They can request a copy of the ticket. They can request discovery, but they'll give you a call to try to walk through how you guys are going to handle this together. I know you're out of town, so I don't know how easy it is to make a mistake, a stolen identity report, but I might try to navigate Detroit Police Department, at least make a call and tell them that you believe someone is utilizing your identification.
Okay.
Does your middle name start with J?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, they are definitely using your ID. Okay. You've got the whole name here with an address. Have you ever lived in Belleville?
Yes, I have back in 2020 and before.
So they probably have an old license or some kind of old information. They're just pulling all the information from that. Okay. We've seen it before, unfortunately, not the first time. We'll get through it.
Thank you.
But the issue is trying to make sure that it doesn't keep happening for you. So if you can figure out how to file a police report, you should do so.
Okay.
Okay. And then you don't need to come back until August 10th at 9:15. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Now, will this clerk send me like a message or anything for this?
No, you won't get a message back. We have your information. The next communication you get will be from an attorney who's appointed to represent you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. That'll be your next communication. All right. Have a good day, sir.
Yes, you too.
Okay. Bye-bye. All right. We just got Kevin Price left.
Then, Your Honor, I'm ready on Kevin Price.
All right. Thank you. And how are we proceeding, counsel?
Plea deal.
All right. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1909244, People versus Kevin Price. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895, on behalf of Kevin Price. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Kevin Price.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, did you wish to place an appearance on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Good morning. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. I've closed the breakout rooms to get Officer Ossie out. I'm sure he'll be here before we conclude. All right, Attorney Carpenter, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client has indicated to me that he wishes to accept the people's offer. As part of the people's offer, the careless driving would remain as charged. The open alcohol driver would be amended to passenger, with the tinted window charge being dismissed.
And the people will put a 6-month delayed sentence on that passenger charge.
Okay, thank you. The 6-month delay, Mr. Price, means that it would initially go on your criminal record, but after 6 months, as long as you don't get any similar tickets and you pay off the fine of $190, it will come off of your criminal record, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Officer Ossie, would you like to place your name and badge number on the record, please? All right, Mr. Price, did anyone promise you anything else other than what was discussed today to get you to plead guilty today?
No, they didn't.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. So the first thing is that you are admitting to, this is a civil infraction on May 7th of 2026 in the area of Pitt and Lawndale, that you are admitting that you were driving carelessly. Driving carelessly generally requires a number of different violations occurring at the same time. Are you making that admission?
Yes.
Okay. And then you are also, sir, testifying that at that same date and location, May 7th, 2026 at Pitt and Lawndale, that you had open alcohol in the passenger area of the vehicle that was operating on a public roadway. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And we are dismissing the final charge. Is everyone happy with the factual basis?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. On your on the open alcohol passenger, that fine is $190. On your careless, I'm not sure. Let's see. You have the fine on careless. All right, $210 on the careless driving. Thank you. So since you have a 6-month sentence, to avoid confusion, I'm just going to give you the 6 months on both of these.
Okay.
But they need to be paid off in the 6 months, no similar tickets, and you don't have to come back and see me on the delayed sentence. But if something goes wrong where you do pick up another ticket or you're not able to get it paid off in the 6 months, then you're going to have to come back and see me on January the 25th. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Price. Don't try to pay anything until tomorrow. You can pay this off in parts. You don't have to wait the whole 6 months. You can start making payments if you want to. You can pay on the court's website, in person on the first floor, or at any of the DivDat machines in the city of Detroit. Just don't put too much money in because it won't give you change back. Okay?
Okay. Thanks a lot, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Carpenter. Thank you, Ms. Pillow. Mr. Price, have a great day. Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.